Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine at home. So today I am here to introduce you all a new topic, the concept of full, half and empty. What is the concept? Full, half and empty. Through various examples, today I am going to show you what is the meaning of full, half and empty. Okay, so now let's start. So see, here I am having a basket full of toys. Can you see? See, the basket is full of toys. Yeah, you all can see from here also. See, the basket is full of toys. Now if I remove half of the toys from this basket, see, I am removing some toys from the basket. Like this. If I remove some toys from the basket, now is the basket full with toys? See, can you see? Is the basket full? No. Now the basket is half filled with toys. See, the basket is empty from here. You can put more toys in the basket. There is more space in the basket. So the basket is half filled with toys now. Earlier the basket was fully filled with the toys. Now it is half filled with toys. And half of the basket is empty. There is more space in the basket to put toys. And now if I remove all the toys from the basket, see. Now is there any toy in the basket? Can you see any toy? No. So this is called empty. Now the basket is empty. Can you see? There's no toys in the basket now. So this is full basket. See, this is full. Now the basket is full with toys. Now the basket is half. See, half filled with toys. Half. And now this is empty basket. Okay. Similarly, see, I'll show you something else. See, can you all see? This bowl is fully filled with cheeselings. See, full. There's no space to put any more cheeselings in it. See, this is fully filled. Now see this bowl. Can you see empty space here? Yes. See, this bowl is half filled and half empty. See, there is more space to put cheeselings. So this is half. The bowl is half filled. Half. And now see this bowl. Do you see anything inside the bowl? No, right? So this is empty. There's nothing in the bowl. This is empty. Okay. Now our first bowl was fully filled. See, can you see? Fully filled. There's no space in the bowl to put anything more. This is half filled. Okay. And this is empty. Can you see empty? This is full, half, and this is empty. Okay. Now, similarly, favorite glass of juice. Can you see? This glass is full or half or empty? This glass is full with juice. Can you see? See, it is brimming. Brimming means full. Okay. This glass is brimming. This is full with juice. Now, see another glass. This glass is half. See, half filled and half glass is empty. So this is half filled glass. Half. See, half full and half empty. Okay. And now see the last glass. Is there anything in the glass? Is there any juice in the glass? See, nothing. So this is empty glass. Which glass? Empty glass. We have seen three glasses. Full glass, half glass, and empty glass. So now, do you all understand the concept of full, half and empty? The thing which is full, brimming. See, you remember our word brimming? Okay, brimming means full. See, this bowl is full. This bowl is half. There is more space, half, and this is empty. Okay. So now, okay, so now do you understand what is full, what is half, and what is empty? So if you all understand, comment below and tell me what was the concept and how was the video. And we'll meet soon with some new fun activities. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and subscribe our channel, Eurokids Kohinoor.